Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be kind of a whim video. I wasn't really planning on doing one today, but I just kind of felt like I needed to. It's a good way for me to kind of stress relief. So I just kind of did, it's kind of a cut crease and kind of not. It's just something smoky and I don't know, classy. I think just a little bit different than the videos that I've been putting out there. A couple of them have been really like different. So I kind of just wanted to do like a really wearable, like sultry date night or like event kind of look. This would be perfect for that. I really love how it turned out. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer and I'm going to put this all over my lid because I'm doing my eyes first. So after I have that all blended out, I'm going to go in with my translucent setting powder and set my eyelid. Then I'm going to go in with my Super Fun Night. It's part of that little Too Faced trio kind of set. I'm going to go in with Oh What Fun. I'm going to use this as a transition shade. And I'm gonna go kind of high up with this. Then I'm going to be going in with the I Believe in Pink. It is another one of the palettes from the little trio palette. And I'm going to be going in with Spoiled Rotten. And this I'm going to focus a little more above my crease. I'm trying to kind of do a cut crease, but kind of not. But I want to kind of deepen it up a little bit. And I'm obviously going higher than my crease just because, you know, I have hooded eyes. I want to try and make them look more open than what they really are. So I'm kind of trying to give myself a faux crease. Then I'm going to go back in with the transition shade just to kind of blend everything out. Then I'm going to be going in with Natural Beauty, also part of the 3 palette trio. Beethoven. It's just a deep brown. And I'm going to try and go in and kind of define a crease a little bit better. I just want it to be a little bit deeper and a little bit more defined. So that's pretty much how I want it. I'm going to go back in with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I'm going to put this on my lid. And then I'm going to go in and carve out kind of the shape that I want on this eye, just like I did the other one. For right now, just gonna focus on the eyeshadows that I want to go in with. Both of the shimmers that I'm going to be putting on my eyelid are from the I Believe in Pink. All of the palettes that I'm using are from that Too Faced, I think it was Best Christmas Ever is what it's called. I'm going to go in the shade Pink Pink. This I'm going to put in like the front half of my eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and pack this on, and I'm going to be kind of messy with it, just so I have a base down, and then I'm going to go in with some like mist, and kind of get that color to show through a little bit more vibrantly. I'm going to go in with my Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. I spray this stuff on before my makeup, after my makeup, and I also kind of use it as a Fix Plus. I'm going to go in with just a little more of like a dense flat brush. I'm going to pick up some shadow and then spray it with the mist so I don't ruin the eyeshadow that's in the palette. For right now, I'm going to move on to the other color, which is this purple. Wish for it. It's also super shimmery, very, very pretty. I'm going to pack it on dry to start out with. And then I'm going to spray some mist on it. And just do the same thing that I did with the gold, kind of rose gold shimmer shade. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Artiste liner. And put that in my waterline. I'm going to go in now with my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. This eyeliner is awesome. I'm going to do a teeny wing. I'm not going to go super big. Like I think I said it in a previous video, I don't do winged eyeliner very much just because of my eye shape. But I don't really do winged liner that often. If I do, it is extremely thin. Okay, so I kind of have my lid going, and then what I'm going to do, since I always seem to screw this part up, because like I said, I don't do it very often, so I don't have a lot of practice doing wings, and it is really hard for me. I'm going to take No Peeking from the Super Fun Night palette. It's just a standard black, and I'm going to make a wing with the black eyeshadow. And I'm going to also take it and kind of set the liquid eyeliner that I put down. I think think I'm gonna take this shade, 5 Golden Rings. That one looks really pretty, and just pop it in my inner corner. Do it on this eye real quick. And of course, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I really like this foundation. I'm only gonna go just a little bit down my neck. As you guys can see, I always have to match my foundation to my neck. My face is just a slightly different undertone. I have a lot of redness, so it looks crazy right now, but it matches my neck, and I don't like putting a whole bunch of foundation, you know, down my neck and stuff. I just think that's a little too much for me personally. Just a little bit concealer under my eyes. I just kind of want to go under here and kind of carve this out a little bit better. It's a little bit hard to get under there with my big giant foundation brush. Pat that there and there. I'm just kind of stamping this in everywhere just because I want to make sure that nothing moves and everything is set. I'm going with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is my Tarte Amazonian 12-hour blush in the shade Dazzled. I use this one in a lot of videos, maybe almost all of them, just because it just, I think, complements my skin tone really well, and it's a really good blush. I think I'm just gonna go in with Oh What Fun, my transition shade, and put that right on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with my Pixi by Petra lip contour liner. This is in the shade Natural Rose. Alright, so I feel like I forgot to mention this, but I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty. It's a lip paint. It's in the shade Uncensored. It's just a nice red. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Watch me do my makeup, per usual. But anyways, I always hope that you guys enjoy my videos. I try really hard to make them good and to come up with new looks that are a little bit maybe out of my comfort zone, or ones that I don't really do very often. Trying to try new products and just get better myself, better my skills, that kind of stuff. So I guess I'm just gonna stop right there before I ramble, because I feel like all of my introductions and outros are super long. But anyways, you guys know the spiel. If you like me, if you like my videos, then please give them a thumbs up and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I just really appreciate all the love and support. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. just super difficult. Excuse you. Sorry, my cat is being super rude. I'm filming. Gosh, she is so rude. Okay, so